was saying, another reason why I don't like this box is because the wood. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just like little pieces of wood that are squished together. And I don't like it. It can either cause splinters, like you can see right here, kind of, and it can chip apart. Look, see that? It can chip. And I don't like that. So, I'm going to try to find another 6-inch subwoofer to fit this so I can change this thing. I don't know what the hell that is. And hopefully this will work well. Look at this thing. This thing is pretty old. It's from a Nissan. 2 ohms, maximum 40 watts, max power 40 watts. NOM, 25 watts. It's made in China. Nissan. The basket is made out of plastic. I cannot take it out of this plastic thing. It won't let me. Because it's all built in one. I think this might be